Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the language on your MacBook computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the System Preferences button down in our System dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select Language and Region. At this point, you can go ahead and select where it says preferred languages on the left side and select whatever's in here, and then select the plus button. At this point, you enter in whatever language you want to change it to or add. At least this is getting a little ahead of ourselves, but you want to go ahead and select whatever language you want to add and then select the add button. So it's going to ask would you like to use whatever language you select as your primary language. Go ahead and select the one you want to change it to. So I'm just selecting a different English dialect here, but you can select, obviously it's probably going to be a little more dramatic in your case. Maybe you're going from Spanish to English or English to Spanish or French or Japanese or something like that. But otherwise, you see how it has taken effect. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.